John Polonio, sir. To our EPS NTLE, Dr. Dindo Moreno Gabales, sir. To our District Supervisor, Mrs. Pelita Bautista Borgonios, ma'am. To our beloved school head, Mrs. Venus Larobes Guinogo, ma'am. Parents, schoolmates, my fellow graduates, teachers, and visitors, ladies and gentlemen, a very pleasant afternoon. Today is a memorable day for all of us because we have just ended an episode in our lives. Now, we're about to start a new chapter of our journey, the high school. My fellow graduates, the first step has been successful. Our graduation today is the first of the series of accomplishments that we surely achieve with the guidance of our parents and people around us. Bisan pa man sa kalisod, magpadayon tag eskwela, dili ta papildi sa mga pagsulay. To our teachers who taught us not only the lesson in the book, but taught us the lesson in real life. Ma'am Clau, Ma'am Kish, Ma'am Annie Rosie, Ma'am Smith, Ma'am Jerlyn, Ma'am Juji, Sir Ayan, Sir Norman, and Sir Lendon. Salamat kayo sa inyong tanan, ma'ams and sirs. To our parents who always beside us since our first day of school, we share with you our first taste of victory. Mga ginikanan, salamat sa inyong pagmahal sa mua sa badlungon sa inyo. Salamat sa pagdisiplina sa mua. My dear fellow graduates, let's make goodbye to our old selves and say hello to the new we. Thank you for the friendship bisag away karon, amigo na pudugma. Dili na to kayong tanatong skulahan, Kibalabag Elementary School. Once again, thank you and congratulations.